Hello everyone, welcome back in lecture series on topic solid state. In last video, we have studied about stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers. And when hexagonal close packed layers are arranged in a specific manner, then we get close packed three-dimensional structure. In stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers, here these are the two hexagonal close packed layers, red colored spheres and green colored spheres. So these are what? The two hexagonal close packed layers. And when these two hexagonal close packed layers are stacked, then the arrangement of the sphere is like this. The sphere of the second layer is placed in the depression of the first layer, like this. These are placed in depression of the first layer. These are the depression. Triangular space or void, these are the depressions of the first layer. And spheres of the second layer are placed on the depression of the first layer, like this. And these two layers, these are not identical. The spheres of these two layers do not align, and therefore these are different ones. And therefore here this first layer is labeled as A, second layer is labeled as B. Due to such a type of a stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers, two different types of voids are created. One is tetrahedral void, another one is octahedral void. When the sphere of the second layer is placed in depression of the first layer, then the empty space in between these four spheres, that is three spheres from the first layer and one sphere from the first layer, the second layer, the empty space is there, and that empty space is known as a tetrahedral void. Actually, the shape of the void is not tetrahedral, but that void is surrounded by four spheres. And if you join the centers of all these four spheres, then we get tetrahedron. And therefore, such a void are called as a tetrahedral void. And another void is created in this arrangement, that is octahedral void. This is due to the triangular void of first layer and second layer, and due to opposite direction of this triangle, the apices of this or apex of these triangular voids of first layer and second layer, these are in opposite direction, and therefore such a type of void is created, and it is surrounded by the six spheres, three from these three green spheres from the second layer and three spheres from the first layer. So this void is, that is octahedral void, is surrounded by six spheres. So such a type of voids are created due to stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers. Now today in this lecture we will study the placing of the third hexagonal close packed layer. And there are two ways of placing this third hexagonal close packed layer on the second layer, like this. Either AB-AB arrangement is there or ABC-ABC arrangement is there. Now when the spheres of the third layer are placed on the voids of the second layer, then in this arrangement what happens, the spheres of the third layer, they align with the spheres of the first layer. See here, these green spheres are the spheres of the first layer, yellow spheres are the spheres of the second layer, and the blue colored spheres are the spheres of the third layer. Then see here the arrangement. That is, these are aligned with the sphere of the first layer. That means the arrangement of the spheres of the first layer and third layer is same. And these spheres of the third layer are placed on the depression of the second layer. सेकंड लेअरचं जे डिप्रेशन आहे, ट्रँग्युलर व्हॉइड आहे, त्याच्यावर बरोबर त्या कव्हर करतात. थर्ड लेअरची स्पेअर्स त्या कव्हर करतात, त्याच्यावर प्लेस केलेली आहेत. ही बघा, हे ग्रीन कलरचं जे दिसतंय ते सेकंड लेअरचं डिप्रेशन आहे आणि त्याच्यावर थर्ड लेअरचं स्पिअर आलेलं आहे. अँड एव्हरी थर्ड लेअर इज सेम ॲज दॅट ऑफ द फर्स्ट लेअर अँड देअरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज व्हॉट, ABAB type of arrangement, or it is called as a ABAB type of packing. And this ABAB type of arrangement gives hexagonal close pack layer like this. If this arrangement is continuing, then we get what, hexagonal close pack layer. And in this arrangement, what happens here, the spheres of the third layer, these are placed in the depression of the second layer. See here, these are the depressions of second layer. And above this sphere is placed. The sphere of the third row is placed above this. And if you see the alignment, then first sphere of the first row, this is the sphere of the first row. Sphere of the first row and sphere of the third row, they are identical. They align. And therefore, the A layer, that is first layer, and the third layer, these are same or identical. And this arrangement gives what, hexagonal close packed structure. Most of metals such as magnesium, zinc, cadmium, they crystallizes in hexagonal close packed structure like this. This is the A layer. This one is the B layer. A layer. Again B layer. So this sequence is there. ABAB sequence is there. And in this what happens, see here, this is the hexagon. If you join the centers of all these spheres, then you will get what, hexagon, and at the center one atom is there. And this, if you join this to this central atom, then 6 triangular voids are obtained. And in this triangular voids, these atoms are placed. These 3 atoms are placed. Here see, this is the arrangement of the sphere. The blue color spheres is the first layer and yellow color sphere is the second layer, like this. These are placed in depression of the first layer. And again, the third layer is placed in depression of the second layer, and therefore the arrangement of the first layer and third layer, these are same. Arrangement of the first layer and third layer is same. So it gives what, this type of arrangement gives hexagonal close packed structure like this. So if you join these 6, these are the 6 spheres. The central sphere is surrounded by these 6 spheres like this here. Suppose this is the layer A, then arrangement of the sphere is like this. And if you join the centers of all these 6 spheres to this central sphere, then we get what, 6 these equilateral triangle, that is triangular spaces are formed. And in this triangular space, in alternately, these 3 spheres are placed. This sphere is placed in this triangular void, this sphere is placed in this triangular void, and this sphere is placed in this triangular void like this. See here, this is the hexagon, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 empty spaces are there. And these 3 spheres of the layer B, these are placed in the empty spaces, that is triangular spaces of this first layer. this layer. Here also see 6 empty spaces are there or depressions are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 such a depressions are there, and alternately these 3 spheres are placed over this, and this arrangement is again repeated. Again here third B layer is there. So A B type of arrangement is there in hexagonal close packed structure, and therefore the packing efficiency is more, that is 74% space is occupied by the sphere, and the coordination number of hexagonal close packed structure in 3 dimension, it is 12. So such a type of arrangement is there, A layer, B layer and again A layer. So this middle sphere is in contact with these 6 spheres, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 3 spheres from the layer above and 3 spheres from the layer below. So 3 plus 6 plus 3, that is nothing but 12. So coordination number is 12, like this. Suppose this is the A layer, then this one is the B layer and this one is the layer again A, because arrangement is same. So AB type of arrangement is there in hexagonal close packed structure, and coordination number is 12. These 3 from the layer above, these 3 from the layer below, and 6 spheres from its own layer. So the central atom is in contact with these 6 spheres, these 3 spheres and these 3 spheres. So total how much? 12. So remember here that coordination number of hexagonal close packed layer is 12. Now the second way of placing the third layer, that is like this. In this type of arrangement, the second layer of sphere is placed in depression of the first layer, and the third layer of the sphere is placed on octahedral voids formed from triangular voids of the first and second row, having apices in opposite direction. So see here, this is the first layer, green color sphere. Dark blue color sphere is the spheres of the second layer, and light blue spheres are the spheres of the third layer. Here if you see observe the arrangement, then what happens here, these do not align. These spheres do not align. All these are have the different arrangement, and A is not identical with B, B is not identical with C, and C is not identical with A. So totally these are different. So if you name this layer as A, then second layer is B and third layer is C. And if you place the fourth layer, then the spheres of the fourth layer and spheres of the first layer have same arrangement. That means ABC type of sequence is there, and the spheres of the third layer cover the octahedral void, not tetrahedral void. Octahedral voids which are formed by the overlapping of triangular voids of first and second layer. So these triangular voids form what? These two triangular voids, that is triangular void of first layer and second layer, form octahedral void, and these octahedral voids are covered by the third layer. And if you place again the fourth layer, then fourth layer you have to place it in the depression of the third layer, triangular void of the third layer. So here such a type of arrangement is called as a ABC type of arrangement, like this. See here, this is the blue color sphere is the first, golden color sphere is the second layer, and third layer is the green color sphere, like this. and again the fourth layer is placed over the second layer, then we get what? ABC type of arrangement. That means every fourth layer is identical to first layer. So ABC type of arrangement is there, and this type of arrangement gives cubic close packed structure. It gives you what? Cubic close packed or the face centered cubic structure. Like this type of arrangement is there. A arrangement, A layer over this B layer, C layer, and then if you again arrange the fourth layer, then the arrangement is repeated. That is, every fourth layer is identical with first layer, and every fifth layer is identical with the second layer, like this. And such a type of FCC structure or cubic close packed structure is obtained by the stacking of the three hexagonal close packed layers, like this: A, B and C. The arrangement of A is different than B and B is different than C. So such a type of arrangement is present in FCC. And the coordination number is 12. The coordination number of this middle sphere is 12. 3, that is these 3 and these 3, that means 6 spheres from its own layer, 3 spheres from the layer above and 3 spheres from the layer below. So total 3 plus 3 plus 6. It means coordination number is 12. So thank you for watching this video. In next time or next video we will study about the coordination number of in close packing, cubic close packing and the hexagonal close packing, and also the number of voids present in the cubic close packing or FCC structure and the hexagonal close packed structure.